Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to uninstall and reinstall audio driver on Windows 10 or 11 computers. This process is extremely simple and should help you resolve any sound related issue. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, click on your Start menu, then search for Device Manager. Now open Device Manager. Now inside Device Manager, what you have to do is you have to just simply click on the Audio Input and Output section. Click on the small drop-down menu. And over here, you have to choose the speaker output device right over here. Then click on it and select Update Driver. Now in this window over here, choose Browse from your computer for drivers. Then just let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And once we'll do that, you should be on the Update Driver page. So if you have the manufacturer-specific driver update available, just simply select it. Otherwise, you can use the generic driver update if needed. You can also search online for the latest driver from the manufacturer's website. And once you've decided that, all you have to do is just simply choose the audio driver and then just simply select Next down over here. And that will reinstall your audio driver. And once the process is complete, you can restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. So go to your Start menu and restart your computer. And that's it. You have successfully reinstalled your audio drivers on your Windows 10 and 11 computers. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.